Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can use Google Authenticator two-factor enable on your LinkedIn accounts. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through your LinkedIn account right here. Once inside, just click on your profile icon, click on settings and privacy, and inside, you then want to head over to the sign in and security beside your screen. From there, just head over to the two-step verification. Now, you then want to click the setup button, and from there, you then want to go ahead and enter the 6-digit PIN that they send on your email address. And so basically right after that, it's extremely simple. Unfortunately, due to security reasons, I cannot record my Google Authenticator, but it goes something like this, where you have to click on the plus icon on your Google Authenticator, and from there you then want to simply select the scan QR code. After scanning your QR code, you will then get a code right here that you have to enter in order to pair your Google Authenticator application to your LinkedIn accounts. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.